Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Christmas is over and I'm still talking about elves. First of all, I want to invite you to join in the challenge for Show Us Your Elves. And that is any kind of elf doll at all. This month's challenge is conversational hearts. You know those cute little hearts that have the little sayings on them and love you and love me and all that, or Valentine's Day. And that is on the 21st of the month at 10 a.m. Central. Now look that up in your own area. You can Google what time that is in your own time zone. I'm going to have to make Tura a new dress, or somebody. I have several elf dolls. I even use Christmas elves. We don't care. We just want you to join in. I do that collab with Dory from Dory's Dollies, Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, and Penny from Playful Reborns. Every month we have the Elf Challenge on the 21st of the month. And while I'm talking about elves, I want to show you my Lord of the Rings-ish elf that I have done a while back. And yes, he has been in some of the elf videos before for the challenges. And I forgot in my lineup of collabs and challenges to mention that there is a challenge. It's a collab challenge that's going on right now. The date is the 23rd, and I believe it's 10 a.m. Central, that I am hosting with Elise Explosion to make we're using Blythe dolls, to make a custom or just dress your doll like a Lord of the Ring elf. I hope you will join in on these fun elf challenges. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.